YouTube, this is Mila and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make this nice and short for you today because I'm in the middle of prepping Thanksgiving dinner for tomorrow for my family. We all got tested, we all came out negative. My family members that are coming tomorrow as well, they all tested and came out negative. So we just all took necessary precautions to keep it safe, guys, and I hope you guys are doing the same. I have two very simple DIY Christmas gifts that anyone can do. I did a set of coasters and I did a cutting board that my son's girlfriend helped me do. So you're going to be seeing her little introduction in my video. She doesn't talk or say anything because she prefers it that way, but I couldn't have finished it without her. I was having such a hard time, but she helped me pull it through. And I got my little signature in the back. And I'm sorry for the person that recognizes their last name. I know you've seen your Christmas present early, but isn't this beautiful? Isn't it nice to get a personalized gift? And that's the best part of having, doing DIYs or doing gifts that you create yourself, is that you personalize it for that particular person, and no one else has it. It's custom for them, and that's the best part of it. That's why I like doing these little things. I try to create projects that I know I would do myself, that is easy for everyone to follow and anyone can do. So please continue sharing your videos. I love seeing you recreate the stuff that I shared on YouTube. We're all in this community together, and if you have any questions on the tools and materials that I use, I'm going to make sure I try to put everything in the description below. Don't be afraid if you want to recreate this video, not the video, but the projects. Click on my affiliate link. It's just going to help me create more content for you guys. And if you have any questions, you can always comment. If you like the video, please leave a comment. And I hope you like my new intro. I worked hard on it for you guys, and you're going to be seeing all December long. So I'm going to get back to what I'm doing, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that's what's going to keep my video going. And I'll see you on the next one. Oh guys, one more thing that I'm going to add towards the end is that I had a hard time with the cutting board because the markers seep through the vinyl, and it may happen to you. So just avoid getting it too wet because the wood is going to soak it up despite of the vinyl. So don't soak it, stroke it, and then if you don't like how it looks, do a little more, but do a little bit at a time. I was having a hard time. I soaked it, it seeped through, but we still made it work. So that's what I wanted to add. So thank you guys.
Let it snow.